This is Ritesh Srinivasan and welcome to my channel. In this video, let's look at what is machine learning. This is the first video of a series on machine learning fundamentals. More such videos will be coming up. Stay tuned to the channel. So, how do you solve a problem in a traditional way? Okay, let's look at a problem of spam classification. Okay, so the idea is that you get your emails, right? And some of your emails are spam. So if you want to solve it using traditional methods, you will write some rules, right? Which will, these rules may have something like, okay, if these set of words are present, then probably the mail is a spam, right? Now, what is the issue with such a system? Say, if the new words come, then you need to update rules, right? But then how many rules will you build, right? So after some time you will have a huge number of rules, and still as and when new spam comes, it becomes difficult because the words were not present in these rules. Okay, now what would be a machine learning approach to solve this problem? A machine learning approach would be that you have lots of emails, right? You have lots of emails, right? And which some of them are spam, right? You will give it to an algorithm, right? This algorithm actually will come up with some kind of patterns or rules or something in an automated way, okay, which is what you will call as a model, right? And this will then classify your mails as spam or not spam, right? So see the difference over here. Okay, this algorithm discovers a model or a set of rules internally which will identify. It's not a human who's doing it over here, right? So these kind of algorithms are called as machine learning algorithms. So you are actually training a computer program, right? Training a program, okay, to identify a certain pattern or some kind of abstraction to solve a particular task, right? In the previous case, it was spam classification, okay, to identify whether some emails are spam or not spam. Okay, so now a more formal definition would be that a program, right, okay, P, for solving a task T, okay, how does it do? It looks at experience E, okay. Now experience E is nothing but your data, and as experience E increases, the program would solve this task at some performance measure, say perf, right? This performance should actually increase. That is the whole idea behind machine learning algorithms. Okay. So basically the algorithm should be able to learn as and when it sees more and more data. Okay. And this it does in a certain automated way. Now, what are certain applications of machine learning and where it will be suitable? Suppose you want to come up with face recognition, right? So the traditional way would be to do some kind of image processing, okay? Then do some kind of template matching, okay? Right? But then when you have lots of data, this performance will go down, okay? So for this, you have machine learning algorithms like neural networks, right, which does this face recognition task. Okay, then you have tasks like audio processing. Okay, when I'm saying audio processing, it is mostly speech to text. Okay, right, then you can have applications like your personal assistants. Okay, something like an Alexa or your Google, right, Google Assistant. And then you can have things like applications in machine learning like image classification. Now this could be medical images, right, identifying tumor on medical images, There could be tasks like stock price prediction, right? In different domains, you can have different tasks. You can have tasks like autonomous driving, okay? Autonomous driving. So all these applications are some kind of machine learning applications, and these applications work on huge amount of data, and they come up with something called as models, which will perform a certain task. Okay. So I hope this simple explanation of what is machine learning is useful for you. The key idea over here is that you are actually training a computer program to perform certain tasks on data in an automated fashion. Okay. So it is not like the machine is learning something, but then it tries to find some patterns in the data with which, whenever new data comes, okay, you perform some task on this new data, and this algorithm is trained to a certain performance measure, so that it needs to give certain results on your new data. This was a short introduction to machine learning. We'll be focusing on more videos on types of machine learning, what are the different machine learning algorithms, how you can implement machine learning algorithms using Python. Okay, more such videos will come up. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you in another video. Happy learning.